Hey guys, still on the farm run. As you can see, most of it is all floating, so we're going to try and do a minute battle. So we could try and clear as much of the loot as possible. Just send a giant in to get that far end coin collector. Don't know why that giant's going over there, but we'll try and keep it all focused on one area. I've got one juice tank over there. And, okay, I'm just going to send some of these in. That's 45,000 juice. I think it will be worth it. Well, that one isn't worth it. That's all the loot, guys. Hope you enjoy.